Stop losing your amazing Tableau dashboards to the abyss and start collaborating and versioning them like a pro with GitHub. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly upload your Tableau workbook files to GitHub for better teamwork and keeping your precious work safe. First, remember your Tableau files come into flavors twb and twbx. The twb files are XML files that describe the visual and data connection details, but don't contain the actual data. The twbx files are packaged workbooks that include the XML and the data DSI. If you need to save as a twb or twbx file type, according to your project's requirements, if you have sensitive data, consider stripping or anonymizing it. If you plan on sharing it through GitHub, head over to GitHub and create a new repository for your Tableau project. Give it a descriptive name, something like Tableau Projects or Dashboard Marketing. When setting up your repository, initialize it with a README file. This is where you let information about your project. Next, it's time to get your Tableau file into the repository. If you're using the GitHub website, navigate to your repository and click Add File, choosing Upload Files, or if you're using the GitHub desktop application, choose to clone the GitHub repository to your local machine, then drag and drop your Tableau workbook file twb or twbx from your computer directly into the repository files and commit the change. Fill out the informative commit message. It should explain what changes you've made, for example, initial upload of marketing dashboard, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded your Tableau project to GitHub. Now you can track changes, collaborate with others, and easily share your impressive dashboards. Remember to exclude any sensitive data and be mindful of GitHub's file size limits. Happy dashboarding!